Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be doing single point energy calculation like geometry optimization. We need these four files. So this is our previously geometry optimized structure of MOS2 SCF must be done on a geometry optimized structure. So these are the files of our geometry optimization, and this is create a folder S. So copy here CONTCAR file, INCAR, and then K points here, POTCAR. Copy these four files here, open up this folder and paste here. So the CONTCAR is actual structure that is geometry optimized. So we will be using relaxed optimized structure as a starting point for our SCF calculation. So rename it as POSCAR. So this will be our POSCAR file that is geometry optimized in our previous step. So here open INCAR file. So this is our exactly INCAR file that we used for geometry optimization. We have changed everything according to our structure. So from geometry optimization to SCF optimization, we need to change only four terms here. First one is Ibrion. This is -1. So Ibrion is we don't need to change our atomic position. So we need to change it to -1. So let me explain it here as well. So for SCF calculation, there is no ionic movement, so no atomic movement. So it should be set to -1. So when we set it to -1, the ISIF will automatically be ignored. But if you commented it out, it will be better. So after NSW, so this should be 0 as we are not doing any geometry optimization, the ionic movement, so it should be 0. And then go down to file writing. These file writing, the files will be used in further calculations like band structure calculation and density of states calculation. So LWAVE and ULCHAR, these two must be true. So and L orbit, if you want to calculate P DOS here, so you can put it 11. Otherwise we are not calculating P DOS, so commented it out. So everything else remains the same. Save it and close it. So there are four files. Now we have also fifth file, job submission script. Copy it here, paste here, and open it up. So we need to change its name as well. So MSCF job, and save it, and everything else remains the same. Save this file. Now open up this S folder here as well. Copy all these 5 files. Okay, copy this address, go to terminal, cd change directory command, and copy our path here, enter. Now sbatch v job .sh. Let's confirm this is the exact name. Yes, this is the exact name, and click enter. Now the job is submitted and it will be completed in a few hours depending on the structure and the level of quality we are doing. And after that, in the next video, we will be doing band structure calculation, density of state calculation, Bader charge analysis, and a lot of other things. Thank you guys.